In order to solve this problem correctly, we need to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. Okay, therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Okay, remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Therefore, in this expression, there is one division, one multiplication, one parenthesis, and one subtraction. Inside the parenthesis, there is one addition. Okay. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 3 plus 3, which equals 6. Then 36 divided by 6 times 6, then minus 4. Okay. Then here in this expression also there is one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. Okay. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. Okay. Therefore, we have to do from left to right. Then this division has higher priority than this multiplication. Therefore, 36 divided by 6, which equals 6. Then 6 times 6 minus 4. Then here also in this expression there is one multiplication and one subtraction. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply this number first. 6 times 6, which equals 36. Then minus 4. 36 minus 4 is just 32. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is equals to 32.